Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Kickstart. If you're looking to get started with Binance and take advantage of their amazing referral program, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about using the Binance referral code 291935167. So, let's dive right in. Binance is one of the most popular crypto exchanges out there, offering a wide range of cryptocurrencies and trading options. But did you know you can get some great bonuses just by using a referral code when you sign up? That's right. By using the referral code 291935167, you can enjoy some awesome benefits. Let's talk about how you can get started with this. A referral code is a unique code that you can use when signing up on Binance to get special bonuses. Not only do you benefit, but the person who referred you also gets rewards. It's a win-win situation. So, make sure to use the referral code 291935167 when you register. First things first, how do you get a referral code? It's simple. If you're watching this video, you're already in the right place because I'm giving you the referral code 291935167. Just keep this code handy for the next steps. Alright, now let's talk about how to use the referral code 291935167. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Go to the Binance website. Open your browser and go to Binance.com. 2. Sign up. Click on the Sign Up button at the top right corner. 3. Fill in your details. Enter your email, create a password, and fill in other required information. 4. Enter the referral code 291935167. There will be a field for the referral code during the sign-up process. Make sure to enter 291935167 here to claim your bonuses. 5. Complete registration. Follow the prompts to complete your registration and you're all set. By following these steps, you'll be able to take full advantage of the referral bonuses. And remember, using the code 291935167 is key to unlocking those benefits. Once you've signed up, you need to verify your identity. Here's how you do it. 1. Log in to your Binance account. 2. Go to Profile, Identification. Click on Complete Now on the pop-up. 3. Confirm your country. Make sure it matches your ID. 4. Fill in personal details. Enter your information and click Continue. 5. Verify your ID. Upload the required documents and provide a selfie. 6. Complete facial recognition using your device's camera. 7. Wait for approval. Binance will notify you via email once your verification is complete. This process ensures the security of your account and allows you to access all the features of Binance. Next, let's claim those rewards. Here's what you need to do. 1. Log into your Binance account. 2. Go to Profile, Rewards, Hub. Find the $100 welcome bonus reward under the Ongoing tab. 3. Click Claim Now. Complete the 4 tasks to claim your reward. O. Verify your identity and get a 20 USDT trading fee rebate. O. Make your first deposit and get a 30 USDT trading fee rebate. O. Make your first trade and get a 50 USDT trading fee rebate. Following these steps will help you maximize your benefits from the referral program. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are the benefits of using a referral code? Here are a few perks. Discounts on trading fees. You can get discounts on trading fees, making your trading experience more cost-effective. Sign-up bonuses. Sometimes Binance offers special bonuses for new users who sign up with a referral code. Referral rewards. Both you and the person who referred you earn rewards, which can be in the form of tokens or other bonuses. So, using the referral code 291935167 can really enhance your trading journey on Binance. To make the most out of your Binance referral code, here are a few tips. Share your code. Once you've signed up, share your own referral code with friends and family to earn more rewards. Stay updated. Keep an eye on Binance's promotions and offers. They often have limited time bonuses for new users. Learn the platform. take some time to explore Binance. The more you know about the platform, the better you can take advantage of its features and bonuses. Using the referral code TUNA919351667 is just the beginning. There's so much you can do on Binance once you're all set up. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope this guide helps you get started with Binance and makes it easy for you to use the referral code TUNA919351667. Don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more crypto tips and guides. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Happy trading. See you in the next video. Bye.